Hi everyone, and welcome to week 15, the final week of classes this semester for Writing 111. You've almost made it. Okay, so this week, remember, we're finishing up our peer review participation. So that's due tomorrow. It's okay if you turn it in late tomorrow, because during class, we're going to be finishing up the peer review. So as a reminder, if you had a draft approved by me, then I put you in a group. And last week we talked about higher order concerns, content, organization, the ideas. This week you're going to be focusing in your peer review group on lower order concerns like formatting, spelling, punctuation, grammar, all of those tiny things that I've told you aren't really important to me in terms of your grade, but they are important to a lot of your other readers. And so it's important that you take time to think about those tiny issues of formatting. So remember, we are not meeting face-to-face in class tomorrow. You're going to meet individually with your group during our normal class time from 10 o'clock to 11:15. I have sent each one of you to your University of Alaska email addresses a calendar invitation with a unique Google Meet group link that is only for your group. So you're going to enter that meet at 10 o'clock and you're going to stay in there till 11:15 tomorrow. So make sure ahead of class you have a strong internet connection. If your connection at home isn't great, school is a great place to go and find one. You know, the library is my favorite place to get work done. During that time, you're going to engage in a peer review that's focused on these lower order concerns. Before class tomorrow, I'll upload a document that will help keep you focused during this time. I will also pop in and out of each one of your groups to take attendance and also to be there to answer any questions that might come up. You all also have my phone number, my home telephone number, which is listed on the syllabus and in a couple other places. I'll send a note reminding you of this too. You can text me or call me if you would like me to pop in with your group, so I can finish up with the group I'm talking to and then I'll go to your group next to make sure that I'm there to address any questions that come up. The final draft of your essay is due on the 11th, just under a week from today. Before you turn this in, I want you to make sure that you read this assignment really carefully. That's an important thing about academic writing, is making sure you follow the instructions carefully. Notice that I have let you know that I'll respond to everyone's work if you submit it by the deadline of December 11th. If you turn it in afterwards, I might have time to read it, but I might not have time to respond. So I'll guarantee you that I will respond if you submit by the 11th. If it's after that, I have the deadline of turning in your grades in the next several days, and so it might actually be more reading than I'm capable of getting done and responding to. So please turn it in by the 11th so you can get my response. So remember, you're not going to class tomorrow, but you are meeting online, and you are continuing to work with your peer review group on making your draft the best you can make it before the deadline. I hope you're all doing well, and I'll see you in the Google Meet link tomorrow. Take care.